If slow charging is cutting your flight time short, you're doing it wrong. In this video, we're checking out the best drone battery charging hubs that charge multiple batteries faster, keep them protected, and get you back in the air with less waiting and more flying. These hubs are perfect for DJI pilots, FPV flyers, and anyone tired of charging batteries one by one. Smart charging, real-time battery status, more flights per day. All the best charging hubs featured are linked in the description below, so check them out for current prices and deals. If you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more drone gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which drone you're flying. Now let's get started. Product 5, LCD Charger Hub for DJI Mini 4K2 SE Drone. Comparing chargers, choose speed, clarity, and real-field reliability. Standard hubs lack real-time readouts and smart sequential charging. Some chargers force parallel charging, overheating, longer charge times. Meet Leongtech LCD two-way charging hub for DJI Mini series. Compatible Mini 4K, Mini 2, Mini 2 SE, Mini SE only. Not compatible with Mavic Mini, first gen, or non-original batteries. Charges up to 3 batteries sequentially, prioritizing higher charge first. Dual USB-C input charges 3 batteries, 150 minutes total. Single USB-C input, 240 minutes for 3 batteries. Built-in color LCD shows per port voltage, current, percentage. Use inserted mini batteries as power bank for devices. Compact tri-slot gray design, spring pin mounts, portable field ready. Ideal for drone enthusiasts, aerial photographers, travelers, field technicians. Choose Leongtech Hub when you need fast, visible charging. Order now to extend flight time. Check compatibility first. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, pricing, and availability. Product 4, Multifunction Charger Hub for DJI Mini 4K2 SE. Tired of dead drone batteries ruining your cinematic shots? Waiting forever for one battery to charge? Classic camping tragedy. Or juggling batteries like a clumsy circus performer? Same energy. Meet my secret weapon. Leongtech two-way mini battery charger. Charges 2 Mini 2 batteries simultaneously. Full speed flex. Plug PD35W and get both batteries ready in 280 minutes. Storage mode tucks batteries at safe 60%. Travel friendly. Need phone juice? Use mini battery as a power bank. Peak battery levels quickly. No drone replug gymnastics required. PD25W charges both parallel. Weaker adapters charge sequentially intelligently. Compact, pocketable hub with LEDs. Perfect for travel creators. Comes with USB-C and USB-A cables. Field ready out of box. Drone pilots, travelers, content creators. Stop losing shots, start charging. Your batteries won't ghost you anymore. It's practically witchcraft. Grab the Leongtech Hub. Fly more, worry less, meme ready. Tap the link in the description to see it in action. Product 3, Lecufi Hardcase DJI. Mavic 4 Pro Combo. Batteries dying between flights, so you lose shots and time. Charging one battery at a time wastes hours on location. Power stations are bulky. Remotes and cameras need juice too. Meet LK-Top 100W Mini 543 Pro Parallel Charging Hub. Charge 3 DJI batteries simultaneously in as little as 47 minutes, or top 3 Battery Plus models fully in 72 minutes. USB-C PD output powers remotes, cameras, even your iPad. Built-in front LED offers adjustable brightness and strobe modes. SOS alarm and selectable 60% storage mode preserve battery health. Small, lightweight design fits any field bag or toolkit. Smart protection and heat sink prevent overcharge and overheating. Before, waiting, missed shots, stressed pilots on deadline. After, rapid swaps, full batteries, back in the air faster. Grab the LK-Top 100 Ball Hub. Simplify power, maximize flight time. Perfect for drone pilots, aerial photographers, and content creators. Check the product link in the description to see why so many pilots trust Lecufi for serious protection. Number 2, LK Top 100W Mini 543 Pro Fast Charger Hub. I missed my daughter's sunrise because my drone batteries died. Travel plans stalled, footage lost. I needed reliable power. Then I found LK Top 100W Mini Charging Hub. It charges 3 mini batteries as fast as 47 minutes, or 72 minutes with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus models. Simultaneously powers your remote, camera, or iPad via USB-C. Perfect for pilots, creators, and travelers chasing every moment. Compact design fits in my bag, ready for departures. Integrated LED offers 5 brightness levels and strobe mode. SOS alarm brings safety and calm on lonely flights. Storage mode preserves batteries at 60% health. Plug out, reconnect, batteries restore to full charge instantly. I feel confident knowing my gear stays mission ready always. Works with DJI Mini 5, 4, 3, and Sky Rover X1. Bring LK Top on your next flight. Capture every sunrise. Check the product link in the description to see full specs, pricing, and why so many users are upgrading to this charger hub right now. Product 1. 100 watt dual charger hub Mavic 4 Pro drone. Ever wished Mavic 4 Pro batteries charged as fast as coffee? Meet a PD100W dual charger that changes field workflows. 2 batteries full in about 90 minutes simultaneously, or 1 battery in roughly 55 minutes with PD. Select storage mode. Auto levels to 60 to 65%. Perfect for long trips. Preserves battery health during storage. Turn your Mavic battery into a power bank instantly. Charge controllers, phones, accessories via USB-A or USB-C ports. Smart charging rules balance mismatched cells automatically for safety. 7 LEDs show mode, input power, and temperature alerts. Rugged compact ABS shell fits any field bag effortlessly. PD input supports 20V5A. Battery output 17.2V, 7A max. Engineered for drone pilots, creators, and on-location production teams. Includes charger and USB-C cable. Batteries not included, heads up. Grab the $100 dual hub. Keep flying, shooting, creating. Check the product link in the description to see current price and availability. Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel, and more awesome content is on the way.